Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to remove Gmail account from Android. So first of all, what you have to do is simply go to the settings and now scroll down, and as you can see there is an option that is called Google. Simply tap on Google, and then what you have to do is simply tap on the Gmail that is shown to you. Okay, now what you have to do is simply tap on the manage accounts on this device. Simply tap on it. Now scroll down and you can see an option called Google. Simply tap on Google and select the Gmail that you want to remove. For example, I will just use this one, and then at the bottom you can see a more option. Simply tap on more and then tap on remove account. It will ask you something like this: removing this account will delete all of its messages, contacts and other data from the phone. Simply tap on remove account and your Gmail will be removed from the Android. So there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Comment down your thoughts, and until then, goodbye.